We have got what is going to be a pretty big change for us here in town. And you can already see here from City Park where we've got an increase in cloud cover. Everything changing up today as a cold front is right now rolling into the state. Winds are shifting. Really good indication that we're going to see a change now that we're seeing speeds coming in at about 10, 15 miles per hour out of the northeast. So you're going to start to see an increase in cloud cover this morning and some wet conditions this afternoon. It's also going to be about 15 to 20 degrees colder today with highs in the 40s. Rain's going to develop here later. We could even get a little drizzle early morning, and then it's going to turn over to snow tonight. And when it makes that switch to snow, it could get pretty slushy in spots. Right now, we're just above freezing in Denver, Littleton, Centennial, Broomfield. You're at 34, teens and 20s for the mountains. And you can see some of the clouds that have been streaming in here from Denver to Boulder, so a bit more cloud cover early on. The big story is going to be the snow that you can see already hitting the western slope, a little rain-snow mix there just over the Colorado-Utah border. And here in town, it's going to be some pockets of heavier snow. So in purple, those counties are under a winter weather advisory going into effect later today through about 9 to noon tomorrow, depending on the county. We're going to see there along the Palmer Divide, parts of Douglas County stretching east, likely a good 3 to 6 inches. And then also the northern Front Range Mountains, spots like Estes Park, Allens Park, parts of Larimer and Boulder counties will pick up a bit more. And you'll see that here on Futurecast. All right, by about 11 o'clock this morning, we'll start to see a few light showers, and then it's going to turn a little bit heavier later today. It will start to make that switch, in fact, for the evening commute. So if you're an essential worker, if you're out today driving home right around 4:30 to about 5, there near Castle Rock and Castle Pines, you're likely going to start to see that mix right around 4 o'clock. Then it switches over to all snow tonight. Winds will pick up a bit out of the northwest, and then we'll see by early tomorrow morning a lot of that snow starting to shift east of I-25. But by that point, you're waking up to likely about an inch of snow on the ground here in Denver. A lot of that's going to melt, so most of it will be on the grassy surfaces. But look at spots like Parker, Castle Rock, Kiowa, and then again up and through the northern Front Range Mountains. We're likely at about 3 to 6 inches of snow there. That's where we have those winter weather advisories in effect until tomorrow morning. A few lingering flurries for us here around the metro area. Skies will then clear out and we'll be back to near 50 degrees by tomorrow afternoon. So actually a pretty decent bounce back. Near 60 on Sunday. Sunday will be the warmer of the 2 days this weekend. And then next week, Jason, man, what a treat. We are close to 70 degrees both Tuesday and Wednesday. It's nice that we've had some weather to get out and go for a walk or a bike ride.